Today on the Everyday Cozy, we're going to turn ordinary carrots into something sweet, buttery, and downright irresistible. Honey glazed carrots. Trust me, these carrots are so good they'll disappear faster than you could say eat your veggies. Start with 4 to 6 carrots. Give them a good peel, trim off the scraggly ends, and then rinse them. Think of this as a mini spa day for your carrots. After you've rinsed them, cut them into stick-like pieces about 3 to 4 inches long and about 1/2 inch thick. Keeping them all the same length helps them cook evenly, and it makes you look way more professional than you feel. Next, pop the carrots into a pot, cover with water, and sprinkle with a bit of salt. Bring the pot to a boil, and once you're able to put your fork in easily, your carrots are done. Don't overcook them because they'll be mushy. After you finish the carrots, drain the carrots and leave them to the side. We're going to make our glaze for them. Measure out 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 3 tablespoons of butter. Put it all together into a bowl. Once you've got your 3 ingredients measured out, put that into a small frying pan. Turn the frying pan on medium and let your glaze simmer for a minute. Then pop your carrots in there. Stir them around for about 5 to 10 minutes, letting that buttery honey sauce coat every piece. You'll see them start to caramelize and shine, and that's when you know they're ready. And here's the grand finale. Transfer them to a plate and serve them as a side dish, or honestly, just eat them straight out of the pan. These honey glazed carrots are proof that vegetables don't have to be boring. In fact, they can steal the spotlight. Thanks for cooking with me today. If you enjoyed this cozy little recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more everyday cozy moments in the kitchen.